Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will gonna teach you how you can do paper trading in moomoo trading app. First you have to go and you have to open your app. After opening the app you can see many options in the bottom and you can see this discover option. Go and click there and now you can see this paper trade option. For paper trading just you have to go and you have to click on paper trading. Paper trading is basically a practice account that people use for practice, and here you can see that we have two options. Here you have USA margin account paper trading and you have USA future paper trading. Here I will teach you how you can use both of these accounts. So let's first go and first choose here USA margin account paper trading. Now here you can see different stocks, ETFs, and you can see here options. Here you can see different stocks, you can see here heat list stocks, and you can see here top gainers as well. You can select from these stocks or you can go and you can search for any other stock. Here I have just opened the Tesla stock. You can see all the detail about this stock, like its market cap, its volume, its average price, and all the information that a buyer must know. You can also see here the chart for years, month and days. You can also change the lines to maybe candles or area, is up to you. You can also go and you can add here different indicators as well. That's how basically this chart thing works. And here if you scroll down you can see here more information, like here you can see you have this trade overview. You can see here money flow. This paper trading and real trading is almost similar. So for buying you can see here this paper trade option in the bottom. Just go and click on that. Here for buying any stock, first you have to go and you have to choose here a order type. Here you have many options. Basically the limit and market are the main and important types here. So in the limit type basically you put a limit to the market value, like you can put a limit if the value will go down, then you can buy the value at that price. Here just I have written the limit to the current value. That's how basically this limit work. And for the market you basically buy the stock at the current position. That's how this market and limit work. After selecting here the type, you have to go and you have to select here the amount, like how much stock you want to buy. Once done, just go and place your order. Now let's go and I will teach you how you can buy ETFs with the paper trading as well. For that you have to go back and here you can see ETFs. Here you can see most active ETFs and you can see here the top gainers. So I will just go and I will pick one. Here you can see all the detail about the ETFs, like its average price, its turnover, all the important informations. And here you can also see the chart again and you can go and you can change the chart lines here and you can add the indicators. Here you can also see the same information that we have seen in the stock. For buying this you have to go and you have to select here our order type, like if you want to buy at the market price or limit price. Here for this one I will go with the limit price. Here the current price was 38.30, so here I have put a limit, like if the value will go down to 38 then I will gonna buy this coin. And here I have also write the amount as well. After writing all these things, just you have to go and you have to click on buy. That's basically how you can buy ETFs, stock options and index options. That's basically all about how the USA margin account paper trading work. Now here I will teach you how you can do USA future paper trading. So for that just you have to go and here you have to select any future. So I will just go and I will pick one. Here you can see all the detail about this future, how this future is doing. You can see the chart here again, and here now you can see the overview and all the things. Here you can see related futures and you can see here contract, and here you can see this paper trade option in the bottom. For doing that simply go and click on paper trade. Here you can see that this page is slightly different than that of stocks. Here first you have to go and you have to select here a symbol. Then here you have to select a order type, like if you want to buy the future at the limit or at the market rate. I have chosen here market. Now here you have to write the quantity, like how much you want to buy. Then here you have this buy, sell and close option. You can go and you can buy by clicking on buy option here, and you can see that we have bought our future successfully. That's how basically this paper future trading and margin trading work. Now if we talk about how you can see that, for that you have to go to your home page, and here in the home page you have to click on this in the black box, and here you can see your order in the order, and you can see the position here as well, how the coins are doing, their open price, PL, and you can see here the position as well, how these stocks, coins, ETFs are doing. And that's basically all about how you can do paper trading in moomoo trading app. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.